Hello everyone, so let's continue. So we have created the API, and in the API we have created the resource, and the method type of the resource we have taken the get, and we have done few changes in method request, and also we have created a mapping block under this integration request. After that you have to click on deploy API, and here you have to choose the stage. Let me take the new stage. You can give any name. Let me give dev and deploy. And one thing I want to tell you, if you have done any changes in your API, then again you have to deploy the API to reflect the changes. So we have created the stage. So this is the dev stage. Come back to resources, and this is the resource, and here you have to click on test. So let's do a test here. So the name was prompt is equal to, so let me take a very simple example here. Create a image of a boy playing football, and then click on test. Let's see whether it is working or not. Perfect. I have got the pre-signed URL here. So this is the URL. Just copy it from here and paste it on the URL. So here you can see we have got the image. So I hope with this project you got some idea how we can develop a project of text to image using generative AI. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.